All right, so on this channel, we would like to look at the fundamentals of Excel. But when you follow this channel, we're going to learn basically about basic Excel, intermediate, and advanced Excel. This is going to help you in the long run as you sit back and watch my channel to enhance your knowledge on accounting, financial, and many more, doing that with Excel, managing numbers and data analysis. All it's going to be done on this channel as you sit back and watch my channel. And so we begin with the launching of Excel. When you launch Microsoft Excel, this is the first screen that comes. Basically, on this screen, you can see a blank workbook where you can click on and start working on your own. We have templates also, but I'll talk about templates later in my lessons. And so for now, you click on the blank document and you have a full Excel worksheet displayed. Now let's get ourselves familiar with the environment, the working environment. We're going to look at the working environment. And in the working environment, I think we can see the title bar. We have something we call the title bar, the red bar. That's the title bar. We have quick access tool, where the undo, the redo, the save, and you can add many more to that. That section is called the quick access tool. Now, apart from the quick access tool, you can also have the tabs like the home tab, the insert tab, the file tab, and many more. Data and many more. These are all tabs. And each tab display sub commands or instructions, which we call the ribbon. So they are displayed on a section called the ribbon, R-I-B-B-O-N, as the ribbon. And so that is on the ribbon. We can have commands displayed down the ribbon is what we call this section is the ribbon. This is what we call the ribbon. From here down to the extreme end here is the ribbon. And down the ribbon, we have the name box. And in front of the name box, we have the formula bar. We also have A, B, C, D representing the columns, and 1, 2, 3 representing the rows. The rows and the columns meet to give us what you call cells. Therefore, we say a cell is the intersection of rows and columns. A cell is the intersection of rows and columns. When you do your work, the white surface with the lines is what we call the worksheet. Now, with modern Excel, when you look on the worksheets, you can see sheet 1 down here. The sheet 1 can also be increased by clicking on this plus tab here. When you click on, you can have additional worksheets, and this goes up to infinity or infinite. So we can have this one going up to infinity or infinite. Doesn't end, endless. Yeah, so, and that section is called the status. We have the status bar down there. Down the sheet names, we have the status bar where the ready is written. It's called the status bar. And on the status bar, you can tell how you want to view your work on Excel working environment, such as we have the normal view, we have the page layouts view, and then we also have the page break preview. These are all the views or some of the views that Excel can use to display its content. Now, aside this, you can also learn how to manipulate your working environment as to how to create content on the working environment. For example, When you come to cell A1, this particular cell is called cell A1 because it falls on column A, row 1. So we call that cell A1. And with the cell A1, if you put content in and it does not fit into the gap, just click outside, go in between A, B, that's column A and B, click and drag, and you will have it done. You can also double click and it will actually do the same job for you. You can do same to rows. When your rows are small, you can always go to the row in between, click to adjust either top or down to ensure you have the row size that you want for your work. I think we'll create some short content in cell A1 and then B2, B3 in that order and see how best we can work. Yeah, so that is actually the working environment of Excel. Our next thing will be introduced to entering content and possibly how to perform basic Excel calculations. Thank you.